Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace RAM 1500 emblems. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a heat gun, some fishing line, and an automotive adhesive remover. Also, have a clean cloth and painter's tape ready. Ensure your truck's surface is clean, and protect the surrounding paint with tape before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free process. Now let's remove those old emblems. Take your heat gun and gently warm the emblem for about 30 seconds. This softens the adhesive. Next, use a piece of fishing line, about 2 feet long, and slide it behind the emblem. Use a sawing motion to cut through the adhesive. Once loosened, carefully pry off the emblem using a plastic trim tool to avoid scratching the paint. With the old emblem removed, it's time to clean the surface. Apply an automotive adhesive remover to a clean cloth and gently rub away any leftover adhesive residue. Be patient, as this step is crucial for a smooth finish. After removing the adhesive, clean the area thoroughly with rubbing alcohol to ensure a perfectly clean surface. Let it dry completely before moving on. Finally, let's install your new emblems. Use painter's tape to mark the exact position for perfect alignment. Carefully peel off the adhesive backing from your new emblem. Position it precisely, then firmly press the emblem into place. Apply consistent, even pressure for at least 30 seconds to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Step back and admire your refreshed RAM 1500.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.